going camping with Julian, Sky, Axel, me, our grandma, my dad, Logan, and Deegan. And we are going to have a good time. Oh, car! Hello guys, we're back. Please check out my channel. Watch it, siblings. Logan. Oh boy. Right here. Yeah!
So you want to cook, Harmony? You want the stove?
Spread it out fully before you stake it.
Yeah, you tell him, Landon. You take your time.
Fully, then stake.
That's a black wiener. Hey, watch out for that fire, ding dongs. There's a fire. This stuff's wet.
Mine's done. I just heard it popping.
More on this side.
You gotta take it higher up. Way higher up. Like right at the top of the flames. Yeah, like right there.
I don't want you to pee on me.
Be nice.
Okay, you're free.
Don't put it where someone's gonna step on it.
Yeah,
That's
bye-bye.
what it
Bye, Jamie.
Nice guy. Hey, baby.
Let's go.
No. Okay. Spin again. Spin hard.
She wants you to throw it.
Follow it.
Swallow it. Or leave it.
No, you gotta get spit.
It's just a.
You're still cooking?
It's not real stink. Eat it. You can't taste it. You have to stick the whole thing in your mouth. You little cheater. Get out of this circle.
No. I ate 12 of them. So Axel's filming for the 77 show. I'm filming for the Goofy All Sibling. No, 77 so team's over here. Goofy All Siblings is over here. Okay.
Come on, Axel.
Goofy All Siblings sing.
Get your pillow.
Yeah, boy. I'm filming.
It's a 2v1. It's a 2v1.
Oh my god! Oh my
Stay down. Okay, good night.
Hurry up, go to sleep. She's probably over at that one again.
She's right there, dude.
That's why she's over there.
You can do something.
Alright, well, update on my trip. This is the test run for the van. And it went pretty well. Drove it about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then now I'm just like organizing all my shit. It's looking pretty cool though. A lot of this stuff isn't all mine. My brother's. Yeah, we had a pretty successful trip. It was great. Maybe we'll scare him towards you. Don't go in the water. Sit, Scott. Sit down. Good girl.
Hi, Sky.
Calm down. No.
Get him.
Sky.
Hey, relax. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Yeah. Alright, come here. That's enough.
Everything that went in the Harmony's cooler, Dad.
And then go get something else.
What do you think, Sky?
That's wonderful trip. It's so cold.
Axel,
Pretty nice. Except for the morning.
what do you got to say?
It was good except for the morning and...
Too early?
Not too early. Too cold. I couldn't sleep.